What goes into an employment contract? So do you know whether you have a valid employment contract? Let's talk about it in labor law perspective. An employment contract is an agreement between an employer and an employee regarding the rights and responsibilities at the workplace. Typically, the following elements form part of a valid employment contract. Number one, make sure that you check the name of the employer. Are you dealing with a PTY or a CC? That's important because you don't want to get a judgment against someone, win your case at the CCMA, and they don't even exist. The next important aspect to check are your job responsibilities. In other words, what is the company expecting from you? Make sure it's written down. Otherwise, they'll be expecting you to do backflips. The next important aspect is compensation. That's the mullah. How much are you going to get paid? Other important aspects that should be in your employment contract is overtime, leave, bonuses. These are things you need to know. The number one thing to look out for is something called a restraint of trade. A restraint of trade will prevent you from working for a competitor or even starting your own business in the same industry. While it's perfectly legal, it's something you should try and not have in your employment contract. Other important aspects are confidentiality clauses and a notice period. Make sure your employer doesn't expect you to have a 3-month notice period. It should be anywhere between 2 and 4 weeks. These are important to check in your employment contract. The reason why is you don't want to have disputes at the end.